Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Crypto.com, one of the channel partners, one of my favorites. And the reason being is because obviously the share that we have when it comes to the outlook of the crypto space in the long term, right? I mean 2022, 23, 24, 25. And so I'm very, very selective on who I spend my time with, outside of the Crypto Serpent world, but more importantly, who I partner up with. And for me, a partnership is about value. And let me be very, very clear with you. If you don't already know this about the Crypto Serpent, if I didn't believe that Crypto.com was valuable to you as the listener of this channel, then they would never ever be on this channel. Simple as that. And yes, there are many exchanges, and yes, there are many, many apps, but I really, really genuinely like what Crypto.com as a company does, what Crypto.com stands for, and the long-term vision that they have as an organization to be around and to help as many people as possible transition into this amazing world that we call the crypto world. Now, if it's your first time looking into Crypto.com, then I highly, highly encourage you to jump on the website and download the app because it is so simple to navigate and probably one of the easiest apps out there in this space. Now, what I won't be doing today is I won't be giving you any price predictions. There will be no mention about where the price is at right now, where the price is going. And for me, I feel being that it's a sponsored content, I feel that that's not really authentic to talk to you about prices when, it's a channel sponsor. So I won't be talking to you about that, but what I will be talking to you about is the latest updates, some of the cool things that are out there, and then just in general, why you should consider Crypto.com. Now, when you jump on the website, you can straight away realize that, this organization is looking to really make an impact out there and be seen by as many people on earth as possible. And I love, fortune favors the brave because it is very much how the Crypto Serpent sees the world. Fortune really does favor the brave. Now, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app, over 10 million users, 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost, and spend with a crypto card and get up to 8% cashback. And there's some updates on that as well. And grow your portfolio by receiving rewards of up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. I said, if you haven't downloaded the app, check it out. It's really, really, really cool. Now, one of the things that straight away stood out to me when I first started to look into Crypto.com is the fact that you can buy at true cost. Now, when you do go to exchanges, prices do fluctuate, and they can fluctuate quite a lot between all the different exchanges. So if you're looking at buying at the very, very best price, then I highly encourage you to check out Crypto.com because it really is something very unique to them that they're able to do. And again, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want to mention it to you because it is really, really cool. And the app, like I said, is very, very simple to use. Now, one of the big news that has come out since last time I spoke about Crypto.com is that Crypto.com has unveiled as the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 official sponsor. Now, please, can we keep the Italy out of the World Cup jokes? I'm already suffering enough as it is. The fact that for 8 years straight, Italy will not be participating in the World Cup. However, Crypto.com and the FIFA World Cup partnering together, that is amazing. Now, we know that Crypto.com is huge in sport. And it's interesting because it's a similar strategy to, I guess, I'd probably have to compare it to like Red Bull, right? I mean, Red Bull just became the dominant figure in sport and extreme sports as well, right? And, Crypto.com is taking a very similar strategy, from my marketing perspective, my marketer eyes perspective. And we've seen it all over Formula One, UFC, and so many other different places, Serie A. And so joining the World Cup and having such a global audience see the Crypto.com branding everywhere, that is huge. Now, as I mentioned, I don't speak about price predictions when it comes to CRO. However, when you are searching for a project to hold long term, you look at, how many people are going to see this project in the future and what impact does that have. And being featured as one of the sponsors of the World Cup, to me, that goes a long way in showing that they're looking to cement their brand everywhere. So when you think of crypto, you think of crypto.com. Now, the NFT marketplace is very fascinating of the crypto.com ecosystem. Buy, sell, and showcase NFTs from leading creators and brands. And there are drops that happen all the time. So like, for example, if you click on drops, you'll see that on Friday, March 25, the Art of Giving is going to go live. And so I, again, encourage you to register, sign up. So you click on sign up, and then, you have to, put in your details, and then you'll be able to log on to the NFT marketplace. You can connect your wallet to it. But again, I think from unique point of view that the crypto.com NFT marketplace has some unique features compared to some of the others like OpenSea and all them. And like the artwork is like, I find it like some of the best artworks that I've seen. But like all NFT projects and NFT things, like, you got to be early, you got to understand it, you got to make sure that it fits your needs and that you are buying it for the right reasons. So make sure you do that when you are searching inside the crypto.com NFT marketplace. Now, we often talk a lot about crypto.com and the app and how you can stake very easily on the app. We don't talk a lot about the actual exchange. And the exchange itself is really, really good. It has some very, very unique features. And so if you're looking for an exchange, like, a lot of people jump to Binance for whatever reason. Like when I think about day trading, they just simply jump to Binance. But like I said, for me personally, I find that this particular exchange, again, has some very, very unique things about it and some unique features. And so for me, I do encourage you to take a look and have a look at it as a potential, as another option compared to Binance, especially here in Australia. As we head towards December, I believe there are some features of the Binance exchange that will be become obsolete to Australians. So, do check it out and make sure that you, see if it fits your needs. Now, when we discuss the mission or vision of any particular company, like I think the crypto.com/FFTB is a great place for you to check out so that you can get a little bit of an understanding why they do what they do. And I think that's often, how best to put it, I think often we forget about that when it comes to projects that we're about to, potentially put our money in. Why do they do what they do? What are the ethics behind what they do? And for me, that's how I pick my channel sponsors, right? Why do you do what you do? It's one of the key questions that I ask. And if I don't get a good answer, I'm out. It doesn't matter how much you're willing to pay or not pay or whatever, or how good you are or how popular you are. But why do you do what you do? For me, is a very, very important question. It's a question that I ask as well of staff. Why do you do what you do? If you had to do it for free, would you do it? These are very important questions. And so for me, I find that why they do what they do resonates with me, and I can see why they're going to be around for a very long time. Now, the crypto.com card is a really, really cool way to use your cryptocurrency. And there are different cards available with different reward systems and different features as well. And again, it comes down to which card fits your needs. And all the different cards that are available, all the different percentages that are available, all on the website for you to learn about. 100% rebate on Spotify, Netflix, depending on which card you have, Prime, Expedia, Airbnb. It's all here, right, for you to learn about. But again, I find that long term, eventually we got to spend that crypto, right? So why not do it with a card and get some rewards and cashback? Now, staking is really, really cool on this particular app. And there are some key features with it as well. So there is a calculator on here that you can calculate how much exactly you would earn and what that would look like and how much you would earn per week, per month. And check it out. have a look how it compares to some of the others. You know, you got Polkadot at 12.5%. I mean, that is a lot. Polygon at 12%. This does change all the time, so make sure that you do check. And there are some things in the app when you do start to stake that you have to click on and confirm. But again, really cool feature. Now, Crypto.com begins exchange rollout in the US. Now, the exchange access currently exclusively available for selected institutional investors, but it is starting to roll out. So Crypto.com is excited to announce the initial phase of its exchange platform launch in the US. The Crypto.com exchange is now available to wait-listed users with a progressive rollout over the coming months for the US market. So that is really, really cool and very positive to see that being rolled out. And there were mentions from the CEO as well in regards to that. Now, the account protection program, the APP, rolls out in selected markets as well. And it's going out in more and more countries. And again, protection and security is really, really at the top of everybody's lips at the moment in the crypto space. So more features being rolled out is positive. The Crypto.com NFTs are now available inside the Crypto.com app. So that was a really cool feature, a requested feature by a lot of people. And so you now have everything under the one app, which it was a long time in the making, but glad that it's finally here. And also, when you are researching, have a look at the Market Maker program. So provide liquidity to our exchange and be incentivized with the best offers by our institutional market making program. Why trade with them? And all the different features and all the different benefits that are available for doing so as well. And so you can submit your request. So you click on submit now, it'll take you to a form and you start to fill out that form. So again, really, really cool feature. And not only does the Crypto.com NFT app now, NFT marketplace support Crypto.com NFTs, but it now supports Ethereum-based NFTs as well. So trade Ethereum-based NFTs at a lower cost. This one's a big one. Like, that is a really, really cool feature that has started to roll out. And all the information on how you do that is available on their website for you to learn step by step how that all actually works and all the different terms and conditions that come along with it. But again, progress, evolution. And the Crypto.com DeFi wallet now supports NFTs on the Kronos chain as well. So easily view, send, receive, and share your collection. So again, easier, simpler, faster. It's been a good month. Now, you may have noticed that CRO is now Kronos. So formerly known as a Crypto.org coin, CRO's rebrand reflects the decentralization of the coin and tremendous growth of the Kronos ecosystem. So it's no longer CRO, it's Kronos. So make sure that you get that terminology right as well. The code itself has not changed, but the name has changed. So the name is Kronos. So that's the new vision. And again, it's to reflect a bigger ecosystem that it now is. And I think that's exciting. And increased fiat bank transfer limits in the Crypto.com exchange. Deposits up to USD 10 million monthly with zero fees. So that is something new as well that has come about. And again, just make sure that you understand it, that you know exactly how much you can transfer in, out, and what all the associated fees are. But overall, I do hope that you check it out and that you see, and potentially maybe this might, suit your crypto journey. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.